Thank the friends, all the friends na nandito o wala man, kilala ko hindi, sa nagpakita ng unconditional love sa kapatid ko. We were brought up in a very close family tie na may takot sa Diyos. Kaya po ako'y malakas na loob at kaya pa, dahil alam ko ang kapatid ko ay nabuhay according to His law, according to His rule, according to His message na Panginoon. Kasi po, pinalaki kami ng aming mga magulang na talaga malapit sa Diyos. I was brought up that way, kami magkakapatid. May mga minsan, may misunderstanding. But at the end of the day, we're family. And ganun kami. There's no room for hatred. Kaya po, sa pamilya ni Kuya Bush, maraming salamat. And I thank you, God, for giving me not even the best, but at least a very good brother, I must say. Salamat, Ate Marites. Salamat, Brandon, sa mga anak. Kasi malayo po ako eh. Kami mga pamilya, Laguna, abroad ako Makati. So, we seldom see each other physically. But then again, every day may group chat po kami family, yung words of God, nandito. Ganun nawala siya, kasama siya. Magandang hapon.